The tools you use matter, but your habits matter even more. Staying safe on the dark web isn't about one perfect app or system. It's about layers of protection, used consistently and intentionally. These are the best security practices you should follow every time you browse the dark web. 1. Use a secure operating system. Your base system is everything. Tails OS or Cubes OS are designed for anonymity, isolation, and temporary use. They prevent your real machine from leaking identifying data, even if something goes wrong. 2. Always route traffic through Tor, and only Tor. The Tor browser is the gateway to the dark web. Use the official version, updated regularly. Never access .onion links in a normal browser. And don't run other apps or browsers in the background. They can compromise your anonymity. 3. Pair Tor with a no-logs VPN. Start your session behind a trusted VPN before launching Tor. This hides the fact that you're using Tor from your ISP and adds another layer of encryption between you and potential surveillance. But avoid free VPNs. They often log your data or sell access. 4. Never use personal accounts or real identities. Create a fresh alias for your dark web activity. New username, new password, new email, preferably through a secure, anonymous provider. Don't log into anything connected to your real-world identity. 5. Isolate all downloads and test them safely. If you must download a file, use a sandboxed virtual machine or a disposable environment. Scan every file before opening it. Avoid exe.bat and script files unless you're 100% sure of the source. 6. Disable scripts and limit browser fingerprinting. Use Tor's security settings to disable JavaScript and prevent canvas tracking, font detection, and other fingerprinting tricks. Browsing in safest mode greatly reduces your exposure to tracking and malware. 7. Keep your system air-gapped if possible. For high-risk activity like whistleblowing or investigative research, use a device that has never touched the internet and transfer files via encrypted USB. Extreme maybe, but for many users it's essential. 8. Use cryptocurrency securely. Never store wallets on your main machine. Use hardware wallets, cold storage, or isolated devices. And don't mix crypto used on the dark web with crypto tied to your personal accounts or identity. 9. Stay anonymous in conversation. Whether you're on a forum, in a marketplace, or messaging directly, never share identifying details, even accidentally. This includes time zones, languages, habits, or anything that could link back to you. 10. Practice threat modeling. Ask yourself, who am I protecting myself from? Is it advertisers, hackers, governments? Your security setup should match your threat level. If you don't define the threat, you can't build the right defense. Because on the dark web, being almost safe isn't safe enough. It's not about paranoia. It's about discipline. These practices turn your tools into a system. And systems, not shortcuts, are what protect you.